Question number 42. Karan walks around a square park whose side is 50 meters. One day he walked around the park 6 times. How much distance did he walk on the day? So side is given, side is 50 meters. He walked around the park for 6 times. So side of a square is given. Side of a square is equal to 50 meters. So perimeter is nothing but 4s. Perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into side of a square. So we could write 4 into s. So 4 into 50 is equal to 4 5s are 20. So 200 meters. Now in one day he took 6. He walked 6 times is equal to 6 into 200. So 6 to the 12. 6 into 0 0. 6 into 0 0. So our answer is 1200 meters. Option A 1450 meters wrong. Option B 1500 meters wrong. Option C 1800 meters wrong. Option D 1200 meters is the right answer, children. Question number 43. Arohi's weight is 67.50 kg and her friend's Shreya's weight is 54.85 kg. How much weight should Arohi lose so that they both have equal weight? So we are supposed to get the difference between their weights. So Arohi's weight is 67.50 kg minus Shreya's weight is 54.85 kg. 0 minus 5 will not be subtracted. So take borrow from here. It becomes 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. So 1 when borrow, it becomes 4. So 4 minus 8 will not go. Take a borrow. It becomes 14. 14 minus 8 is 6. After two digits, we have decimal point. So put a decimal point over here. So 1 when borrow, it becomes 6. 6 minus 4 is 2. 6 minus 5 is 1. So 12.65 kg weight must be lost by Arohi so that she could be equal in weight with Shreya. So our answer option A 17.35 kg wrong, option B 8.45 kg wrong, option C 12.65 kg is the right answer, children. Question number 44. Puneet wants to purchase a shirt of rupees 2000. He has rupees 760.65 in his digital wallet and received rupees 432.85 from his friend. How much amount he still needs to purchase the shirt? So in his wallet he has rupees 760.65 and he has received 432.85 from his friend. So we are supposed to add these two. 5 plus 5 is 0, 1 carry. So 1 plus 6 7, 7 plus 8 is 15, 1 carry. Put a point. 1 plus 2 is 3, 6 plus 3 is 9, 7 plus 4 is 11. So now he has 1193.50 in his wallet. So how much more money he still needs to purchase the shirt? So let's get the difference between the total amount to purchase the shirt minus the amount he has in his wallet. So 2000 minus 1193.50. Let's get the difference. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 5 will not go. So take a borrow. It becomes 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. So 1 when borrow over here, it becomes 9. 9 minus 3 is 6. And 1 went borrow over here, it becomes 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. 1 went borrow over here, so it becomes 9. 9 minus 1 is 8. So 1 went borrow over here, it becomes 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. After two digits, the decimal point is there, put a decimal. So now it became 806.50 rupees. So option A, rupees 806.50 is the right answer. Question number 45. A contractor sent 76,95,940 bricks for the construction of 70 chambers. If an equal number of bricks were required for each chamber, then how many bricks were used for each chamber? So total number of bricks the contractor has sent is equal to 76 lakhs 95,940. For 70 chambers, these many bricks are. One chamber is equal to 76 lakhs 95,940 divided by 70. So 0 gets cancelled. 7 ones are 7. Exactly divided. So put a 0. 7 nines are 63. So remained with 6. 7 nines are 63. Remained with 2. 7 fours are 28. Remained with 1. 1 4 14. 7 twos are 14. So our answer is one chamber is equal to 1 lakh 9,942. Option A 99,762 wrong. Option B 1,48,762 wrong. So option C 59,642 is wrong. Option D 1,09,942 is the right answer, children. 46th question. The given bar graph shows the number of marks scored by A and B in 4 different subjects. Study the graph carefully and answer the following questions. So these are the marks scored by A and B in 4 different subjects. The lined one is B and the empty bar is A. So let's mark A, then followed by B. So marks scored by A in maths is 75. Marks scored by A in science is 70. Marks scored by A in English 60. Marks scored by A in Hindi 90. Now let's quickly mark marks scored by B. B in math 65. B in science 85. B in English 60. B in English 55. B in Hindi 65. Now let's read the statements. How many more marks scored by A than B in all the subjects together? So first let's add A marks 75, 70, 60, 90. 5 plus 0 is 5. 5 plus 0 5. 5 plus 0 5. 5 plus 0 5. Let's write 5. 7 plus 7 14. 14 plus 6 20. 20 plus 9 29. Now done with A. Now let's add B. How many B marks are there? Maths 65, Science 85, English 55, Hindi 65. 5 plus 5 10. 10 plus 5 15. 15 plus 5 20. 2 carry. 2 plus 6 8. 8 plus 8 plus 8 16. 16 21. 21 plus 6 27. So now we are supposed to do A minus B is equal to 295 minus 270. 5 minus 0 5. 9 minus 7 2. 2 minus 2 0. So 25. We got A minus B as 25. Now let's read second statement. What is the fraction of marks scored by A in science and Hindi together to the marks scored by B in English and maths together? So A marks science and Hindi is equal to science 70, Hindi 90, 0. 7 plus 9 16, 160. Now let's write B marks in English and math together. In English 55, maths 65, 5 plus 5 10. 1 carry. 1 plus 5 6. 6 plus 6 12. 120. So we are supposed to get the fraction of A and B. So A by B is equal to 160 by 120, children. So 0 gets cancelled over here. 4 4 is 16. 4 3 is 12. So we got A by B as 4 by 3. Now option A 50 3 by 4 wrong. Option B 25 4 by 3. 25 4 by 3. Yeah, option B is the right answer. This is the answer. And here a minus b, this is the answer. 47th question. Read the given statements carefully and select the correct option. Statement 1. The value 672.734 minus 347.487 when rounded to the nearest hundreds gives 325.25. Statement 2. The value of 63.76 plus 38.89 minus 13.23 is less than 90. So statement 1 is given as 672.734 minus 347.487 gives us 4 minus 7 will not go. So take a borrow. It becomes 14. 14 minus 7 is 7. So 1 when borrow here, it becomes 2. So 2 minus 8 will not go. Take a borrow. It becomes 12. 12 minus 8 is 4. 1 when borrow here, it becomes 6. 6 minus 4 is 2. Point 2 minus 7 will not go. Take a borrow. It becomes 12. 12 minus 7 is 5. 1 when borrow here, it becomes 6. 6 minus 4, 2. 6 minus 3 is 3. So we got the answer as 325.247. And not only this, we are supposed to find out the rounded off to the nearest hundreds gives us 325.25. Whether the statement is true or false, let's check. After decimal to the extreme right, this becomes 10th place. This becomes 100th place. This becomes 1000th place. If we are supposed to round off to the nearest hundreds, we are supposed to check with 1000th place. So let's compare 7 with 5. 7 is greater than 5. So this becomes 0 and 1 to be added for 4 to the 100th place. So now it becomes 325.25. So statement 1 became true. Let's check with statement 2. The value of 63.76 plus 63.76 plus 38.89. First, let's add this. 6 plus 7, 13, 1 carry. 1 plus 7, 8, 8 plus 8, 16. Decimal, 1 carry. 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 8, 12. 1 carry. 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 3 is 10. So we got with 102.63 and minus 13.23. 3 minus 3, 0. 6 minus 2 is 4. Put a decimal. 2 minus 3 will not go. So it becomes 12. 12 minus 3 is 9. 1 when borrow here, it becomes 9. 9 minus 1 is 8. So we got with the answer as 89.40. So anyhow, this is less than 90. So statement 2 became true. Statement 1 is true and statement 2 is also true. Option A, both statement 1 and statement 2 are true. Yes, this is our answer. Option A is the right option, children.